Good morning friends, I am back again with one more video lecture on the topic Bernoulli's equations. Now these Bernoulli's equations be the part of the equations reducible to linear form. Now what do you mean by Bernoulli's equation? An equation of the form dy by dx plus p times y is equal to q. This is the linear equation, but this q times y to the power n. This is a non-linear differential equation and is known as Bernoulli's equation. Here p and q, here this p and q be the functions of x only or constants. Now this equation 1, this is not linear, this is non-linear equation, but it can be made to linear. Now to solve equation 1, dividing both sides of equation 1 by this y to the power n. So therefore 1 upon y to the power n, we write it as y to the power minus n dy by dx plus p times y upon y to the power n. So by using the laws of indices, answer is y to the power 1 minus n is equal to q. Now we denote this equation by 2. Now substitute this y to the power 1 minus n is equal to v. Let y to the power 1 minus n is equal to v. Now differentiating this with respect to independent variable, differentiating this with respect to x, we get now derivative of y to the power 1 minus n, answer is 1 minus n times y to the power 1 minus n minus 1, means answer is y to the power minus n times derivative of y dy by dx is equal to derivative of v, answer is dv by dx. Therefore this y to the power minus n dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 1 minus n dv by dx, and therefore this equation 2 becomes 1 upon 1 minus n dv by dx plus p times, now y to the power 1 minus n, answer is v, is equal to q. Now multiplying this equation by 1 minus n, multiplying by 1 minus n, so therefore dv by dx plus 1 minus n times p times v is equal to 1 minus n times q. Now we denote this equation by 3. This is a linear differential equation. This is linear in V and can be solved easily. Now we will discuss Bernoulli's equation with one example. Now example is, solve the differential equation 2 times x dy by dx is equal to 10 times x cube times y to the power 5 plus y. Now its solution, first we divide this given equation by 2 times x, so therefore answer is dy by dx is equal to 10x cube y to the power 5 upon 2x, answer is 5x square y to the power 5 plus y upon 2 times x. Now we write this equation as dy by dx minus 1 upon 2 times x times y is equal to 5 times x square y to the power 5. Now again we dividing this equation by y to the power 5. Now 1 upon y to the power 5, we write it as y to the power minus 5 dy by dx minus 1 upon 2 times x y upon y to the power 5. Answer is y 1 upon y to the power 4, that is y to the power minus 4 is equal to this 5x square. Now we denote this equation by 1. Now let this y to the power minus 4 is equal to v, and differentiating this with respect to independent variable x, the derivative of y to the power minus 4, answer is minus 4 y to the power minus 5 times dy by dx is equal to dv by dx. Now dividing this by minus 4, so therefore y to the power minus 5 times dy by dx is equal to 1 upon minus 4 times dv by dx. And therefore this equation 1 becomes this y to the power minus 5 times dy by dx, answer is 1 upon minus 4 times dv by dx minus 1 upon 2 times x times y to the power minus 4, answer is v, is equal to 5x square. Now multiplying this equation by minus 4, the dv by dx minus minus plus. Now 4 upon 2x, answer is 2 upon x times v is equal to minus 4 times 5 minus 20 times x square. Now this equation is denoted by number 2, which is linear in v. Now here p is equal to this 2 by x and q is equal to minus 20 times x square. Therefore this if is equal to e to the power integration p dx is equal to e to the power integration 2 by x dx is equal to e to the power 2 times integration 1 by x dx. Therefore this if is equal to, now e to the power 2 times integration 1 by x dx means log x, and e to the power 2 log x, answer is x square. Therefore if is equal to x square. Hence its solution is v times if is equal to integration q times if dx plus c. Now if be the x square is equal to integration. Now q is equal to minus 20 times x square times if be the x square dx plus c. Now this minus 20 be the constant term taken outside the integration of x square times x square x to the power 4 dx plus c. Now here this v be the y to the power minus 4 times x square is equal to minus 20. Now integration of x to the power 4, answer is x to the power 5 upon 5 plus c. So therefore this y to the power minus 4 x square is equal to minus 20 upon 5 minus 4 x to the power 5 plus c. Now we multiply this equation by y to the power 4. Therefore answer is x square y to the power 4 times c minus 4 times x to the power 5. Now which is the required solution of the given problem. Hope all of you have understood this Bernoulli's equation. In the upcoming lecture, we will discuss higher order linear differential equation with constant coefficients. Please subscribe the channel and let me know your comments and feedback. Thank you.